In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage customers in Wave. We'll walk through signing in, adding a new customer with accurate billing and optional shipping details, and then managing that customer's profile, including creating invoices right from their page. Start by opening Wave Accounting and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, head to the main navigation and click Sales and Payments. From there, select Customers. This is your central hub for customer records, where you can see existing customers and add new ones. To add someone new, click Add a Customer. A form will appear where you'll enter the customer's details. Begin with the customer name, which is typically the business or individual name that should show on invoices. If you have a primary contact, enter their first and last name as well. Add a valid email so invoices and receipts can be delivered electronically, and include a phone number in case you need to reach them for billing or support. Keep entries clean and consistent to make searching and reporting easier later. Next, add the billing information. Choose the customer's currency carefully. This setting affects how invoices and payments are recorded, so make sure it matches what you intend to bill them in. Then enter the complete billing address. A full address helps ensure accurate invoice details and can be important for taxes and records. If you ship goods or need separate delivery instructions, add shipping information. This part is optional, but it's helpful when the delivery address differs from the billing address or when there are special drop-off notes. Clear instructions here can reduce errors and delays. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new customer will now appear in the customers list. Open the customer profile anytime to manage their details. From the profile, you can edit information if something changes, view all invoices associated with that customer, and check their activity and payment history. Reviewing this timeline helps you track what's been sent, what's been paid, and what might need a friendly reminder. When you're ready to bill, you can create an invoice directly from the customer's profile. Just click Create New Invoice. This pulls in the customer's saved details automatically, saving time and reducing data entry mistakes. From there, you can add your items or services, confirm the currency and addresses, and send it off. And that's it. You can now create and manage customers in Wave Accounting with confidence. Thanks for watching.